Stop believing that transformations take months, expensive procedures, or perfect genetics. What if I told you that you can completely change how you look and feel in just 24 hours using the JK Glow method that is taking over social media in 2026? Today I am revealing the complete step-by-step makeover system that combines scalp care, skin refinement, hair revival, and confidence-boosting styling to create a head-turning transformation without surgery, filters, or luck. This is not about becoming someone else. It is about revealing the best version of you that has been hiding under dull hair, tired skin, and outdated styling. If you have been waiting for a sign to finally invest in yourself, this is it. Stay with me. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a full roadmap to your most radiant, confident, camera-ready self. Let us begin. Transformation is not magic. It is method. Every stunning before and after you see online follows the same principles. Assessment, preparation, execution, and maintenance. Most people skip assessment and jump straight to products. That is why results disappoint. Today we start with truth. Look in the mirror. What specifically bothers you? Is it flat, frizzy hair? Dull, uneven skin? Rough body texture? Write it down. Clarity creates direction. Now, let us build your 24-hour JK Glow transformation plan. Hour 0 to 4 focuses on scalp and hair revival. Start with a clarifying shampoo to remove product buildup, hard water minerals, and environmental residue. Massage scalp for 2 minutes to stimulate blood flow. Rinse with lukewarm water. Follow with a JK Glow bond-building mask containing keratin and argan oil. Apply from mid-lengths to ends. Comb through with wide-tooth comb. Cover with shower cap. Leave for 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water to seal cuticles. Cool water is essential. It locks in moisture and adds instant shine. While hair mask processes, prepare your skin. Double cleanse to remove sunscreen, makeup, and pollution. First, oil-based cleanser on dry skin. Massage 60 seconds. Rinse. Second, gentle foaming cleanser with salicylic acid or niacinamide. Massage another 60 seconds. Rinse with cool water. Pat dry. Apply a chemical exfoliant with glycolic or lactic acid. This removes dead skin cells that cause dullness and texture. Wait 10 minutes. Follow with JK Glow Hydrating Serum containing hyaluronic acid or vitamin B5. Apply to damp skin. Wait 5 minutes. Seal with lightweight moisturizer containing ceramides. This routine resets your skin barrier and creates a smooth canvas. Hour 4 to 8 is body care and skin refinement. For strawberry legs, dark knees, or rough elbows, apply JK Glow Body Exfoliant containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Massage onto damp skin for 60 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. While skin is still damp, apply JK Glow Brightening Serum containing niacinamide or alpha-arbutin to affected areas. This fades discoloration and evens skin tone. Wait 5 minutes. Follow with JK Glow Body Moisturizer containing urea and shea butter. Massage in upward circular motions. This step transforms rough, uneven body skin into smooth, radiant texture. Hour 8 to 12 is hairstyling and shine activation. After rinsing hair mask, gently squeeze out water with microfiber towel. Never rub. Apply JK Glow Heat Protectant Spray evenly. Section hair into 4 parts. Blow dry using tension technique, paddle brush under each section, dryer nozzle following brush downward. Keep airflow moving. This smooths cuticles and adds volume. Once 80% dry, apply JK Glow Shine Serum to ends. Finish blow drying. Hair should feel soft, look shiny, and have movement. For face, apply JK Glow Tinted Moisturizer or lightweight foundation only where needed. Center of face, under eyes, around nose. Blend outward with damp sponge. Use concealer 1 shade lighter than skin tone under eyes and on high points. Set with translucent powder only in oily areas. Add cream blush to cheeks for natural flush. Define brows with tinted gel. Apply neutral eyeshadow, thin eyeliner, mascara. Finish with JK Glow Lip Tint or gloss. Less is more. The goal is enhanced, not masked. Hour 12 to 16 is outfit and confidence building. Choose clothing that fits your current body, not your goal body. Well-fitting clothes instantly elevate appearance. Pick one statement piece. A bold lip, structured blazer, or signature accessory. Keep the rest simple. Confidence comes from feeling put together, not overdone. Practice posture, shoulders back, chin parallel to floor, relaxed smile. Record yourself speaking. Notice your tone. Speak slower. Pause between sentences. Confidence is audible. Hour 16 to 20 is final touches and photography prep. Exfoliate lips with sugar scrub. Apply JK Glow Overnight Lip Mask. Trim any stray hairs. Clean nails, apply clear polish or neutral shade. Spray JK Glow Signature Perfume on pulse points. Prepare your transformation photo setup, natural light facing you, plain background, phone at eye level. Take before photos now if you have not already. Good lighting is non-negotiable. Window light is best. Avoid overhead bulbs that create shadows. Hour 20 to 24 is the reveal and maintenance planning. Style hair one final time. Refresh makeup if needed. Take after photos in same lighting and angle as before. Compare side by side. Notice the changes: brighter eyes, smoother skin, shinier hair, confident posture. This is your new baseline. To maintain it, schedule weekly JK Glow hair masks, daily double cleansing, and monthly trims. Transformation is not a one-time event. It is a practice science behind the results. Hair shine comes from smooth cuticles that reflect light. Conditioning and cool water seal cuticles. Skin radiance comes from hydrated, exfoliated cells that turn over efficiently. Chemical exfoliants and hydration support this process. Body skin smoothness comes from dissolving dead cells and blocking pigment transfer. Makeup enhancement works by strategic placement of light and shadow to highlight features. Posture affects perception. Upright posture signals confidence to others and to your own brain. Every step has a physiological basis. You are not faking transformation. You are optimizing biology. Common mistakes that ruin transformations. First, overdoing products. Layering 10 serums causes pilling and irritation. Second, skipping prep. Applying makeup to unclean skin leads to patchiness. Third, ignoring hair health. Heat styling without protectant causes breakage. Fourth, choosing trendy over flattering. What works on others may not suit your features. Fifth, expecting perfection. Transformation is progress, not flawlessness. Celebrate improvement. Adaptation for different needs. Busy schedule? Focus on 3 steps: clarify hair, exfoliate skin, apply tinted moisturizer. Budget friendly? Use JK Glow Essentials, clarifying shampoo, bond mask, niacinamide serum. Sensitive skin? Patch test everything, use fragrance-free formulas, introduce one product at a time. Curly hair? Swap blow drying for diffusing, use curl defining cream instead of serum. Troubleshooting. Hair still frizzy? Add JK Glow Anti-Humidity Spray, sleep on silk pillowcase. Makeup fading? Use setting spray, blot oil before reapplying. Skin looking dull? Increase water intake, add gentle massage to skincare routine. Feeling unsure? Practice your new look at home first. Confidence builds with repetition. Remember that transformation is internal as much as external. The way you speak to yourself matters. Replace criticism with curiosity. Instead of "I hate my hair," ask, "What does my hair need today?" This mindset shift sustains results longer than any product. Clarify hair, exfoliate skin, apply tinted moisturizer. Budget friendly? Use JK Glow Essentials, Clarifying Shampoo, Bond Mask, Niacinamide Serum. Sensitive skin? Patch test everything, use fragrance-free formulas, introduce one product at a time. Curly hair? Swap blow drying for diffusing, use curl defining cream instead of serum. Troubleshooting. Hair still frizzy? Add JK Glow Anti-Humidity Spray, sleep on silk pillowcase. Makeup fading? Use setting spray, blot oil before reapplying.